from page 93. This is example 3. Or sorry, it's example 4 from section 2.2. Okay, determine the trigonometric ratios of quadrantal angles. Okay, something that we haven't done is we've done angles for each of the quadrant, but we haven't done the ones that where the terminal arm lies on one of the axes. Okay, so you could do a 0-degree angle, 90-degree angle, at 180, 270. Okay, so you can do those. Those are called quadrantal angles because they lie in the boundary between the quadrants. Okay, so this one in particular, we're looking for an angle of 90 degrees. Okay, and so this is where we started to use SOHCAHTOA. This is where this becomes really important instead of using SOHCAHTOA. And the reason we can't really use SOHCAHTOA is because how do you draw a triangle there, right? Even if it was, you know, 75 degrees, you can still draw that triangle, right? Or if it's really small, you can draw a triangle and have an x and a y value. But in this case, we can't draw a triangle, right? And the reason we can't draw a triangle is because we don't have, well, since our terminal arm coincides with the y-axis, our r and our y are actually going to be the same, right? So we don't have 3 sides to make up a triangle. So what we have here is, you can say that we have our point P. We've been saying we have a point P, and in this case it's going to have coordinates x is 0 and y is 1. Okay, that's fairly simple to figure out. And then for r, we always just looked at the length, or the absolute distance, I guess, between the origin and that point P, okay? So we're going to do the exact same thing here, okay? And so it's going to be sine theta is equal to y over r, okay? And the y value is, or the y value is 1 and r is 1, so sine theta is 1, okay? Cos theta, we have x, our x value is 0, and our y value is still 1, so cos theta, I shouldn't be calling it theta actually, we know what it is, let's just put, it's 90 degrees, right? Okay, and so cos, or tan of 90-degree angle equals y over x, which is going to be 1 over 0, right? Because we have an x coordinate of 0, and so that's going to be undefined. Okay, and you can try these in your calculator, right? If you put sine 90, you're going to get 1 in your calculator. You put cos 90, you're going to get 0, and if you get tan, you're going to have an error. Okay, it'll actually return an error for you.